Let us start the fundamental rights explanation. Right to freedom of religion. The right to freedom of religion is given in articles. Article number 25, article number 26, article number 27, and article number 28. Now let us start article number 25. Now you have to be very clear what does article starts with. Your article 25, freedom of, what is article number starts with? Freedom of conscience. Freedom of conscience and free profession. Freedom of conscience, free profession, practice and propagation. Practice and propagation. Propagation of religion. So be very clear. What does the article number 25 says? Freedom of conscience, freedom of free profession, practice and propagation of religion. What is conscience? In Urdu, what do we call it? Freedom of conscience? Zamir. Our antaratma is known as freedom of conscience. Now this article number 25 talks with the restrictions. Starts with the restriction. What are the three restrictions it is starting? Subject to public order, morality and health. Subject to public order, morality and health, and other provisions of this part. What is the other provisions of this part? Part 3, fundamental rights. So what are the three restrictions on fundamental rights? Public order, morality and health. By this we can take example of COVID. During the COVID, the religious places were closed down. So we use this. This was the first instance in this modern times where a pandemic came and we really applied this article, these restrictions. Restrictions to subject to public order, morality and health, and other provisions of this part. All persons are equally entitled. All persons. What are? क्या बता रहा? कौन है? All persons. We talk about all persons are equally entitled to freedom of conscience. Freedom of conscience and right freely to profess, practice and propagate religion. Profess, practice, propagate religion. Propagate religion. This was your article number 25, clause 1. Now, article number clause 2. Now, please write down some other points which are iterated by the courts in India. The explanation of this article has been given by the courts. Now, what does it say? Subject to public order, morality and health, and it says free profession, practice and propagation. This free profession, practice and propagation does not include conversion. Please write down their point. The courts in India has clearly made that this article 25 does not include conversion. You can tell about your religion, you can propagate your religion, you can practice your religion, but you cannot force others to convert into your religion. This article does not include conversion. Be very clear. Clear about? No. Come to 25 clause 2. What does 25 clause 2 says? Nothing in the article shall operation of law and existing law prevent the state from making any law regulating or restricting
any
economic, financial, political or other secular activity which may be associated with religious practice. अगर अगर पब्लिक ऑर्डर का प्रॉब्लम आ रही, अगर मोरालिटी का प्रॉब्लम आ रही, अगर हेल्थ का प्रॉब्लम आ रही, तो गवर्नमेंट कैन पुट रेस्ट्रिक्शंस बेस्ड ऑन, रेस्ट्रिक्शंस कौन से दिए? रेस्ट्रिक्शंस बेस्ड ऑन, ये तो रेस्ट्रिक्शंस है, पब्लिक ऑर्डर, मोरालिटी एंड हेल्थ तो रेस्ट्रिक्शंस है। इसका बेस क्या रहेगा रेस्ट्रिक्शंस अप्लाई करने के वास्ते? फर्स्ट वन क्या है? इकोनॉमिक, फाइनेंशियल, पॉलिटिकल एंड अदर secular activities and other secular activities which may be associated with religious practice, which may बता रहा हूँ, which may be associated with religious practice, and this is your B, is given in B, again A, sorry, given in A. Come to B part. What does it? 25 clause 2 subclause B says providing social welfare and reform or the throwing open of Hindu religious institutions of public character to all classes and sections of Hindus. Sections of Hindus. Now, who is a Hindu? Who is a Hindu? Opening, 25 clause 2, opening of Hindu religious places, providing social welfare and reform or throwing up of, for social welfare and reform, social welfare and reforms, opening of Hindu religious places for social welfare and reforms. They can do, the state want, they can do for Hindus itself. Now we have explanation 1 and explanation 2. In article number 25 has explanation 1 and explanation 2. What does explanation 1 says? This specifically for the Sikhs, the wearing and carrying of kirpans. Wearing and carrying of kirpans. What is a kirpan? The small sword type. Small, it's like a, what you can say? It's a knife type. It is a weapon. It is a small weapon, sharp weapon. So that is known as kirpan. So wearing and carrying kirpan shall be deemed to be included in the profession of Sikh religion. Allowed wearing and carrying of kirpan for Sikh community. For Sikh community. Allowed under article 25. Under article 25. So there is a caveat. They cannot use it as for a deadly weapon. They can carry it as it is a part of their religion. But if they try to harm, if anything which derogates or violates other fundamental rights, that will be banned. So this is allowed. Wearing and carrying of kirpan for Sikh communities allowed under article number 25. And explanation 2. What does the explanation 2 says? In subclause D of clause 2, the reference of the Hindus. Who are Hindus? Who are Hindus? There are two sides of the definition. One, you can say Hindus are those who follow the Abrahamic religions. What are Abrahamic religions? Hindus are those who does not follow Abrahamic religions. Who are not Hindus? Who are not Hindus? Who follow Abrahamic religions. Not Hindus meaning follow Abrahamic religions. What are the Abrahamic religions? Islam, Christianity and Judaism. These are three Abrahamic religions. They are three Abrahamic religions. Hindus also include, it is given, Sikh, Jains and Buddhists are Hindus as per law. Sikh, Jains and Buddhists are considered to be Hindus as per
Law.
Hindu law. Please remember,
Abrahamic religion.
Sikh, Jainas and Buddhists are referred as Hindu.
Abrahamic religion.
Those who are not Hindus. Abrahamic religion, followers of Abrahamic religions are not Hindus.
What are those Abrahamic?
Islam, Christianity and Judaism are Abrahamic religions. And here one for Hindus also include Sikh, Jains and Buddhists, and the followers of Hinduism are Hindus. So this was your explanation for article number 25.